how to buy AGLD, the Adventure Gold Network. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to check their X accounts and go and check their community, and make sure to keep following their updates about this token. Now, after that, to be able to buy it, just go and open it on CoinMarketCap. And this website, it will show you all of this information about this token. So if you want to buy it with the the exchange platforms like Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, or others. Now, if you want to buy it on your wallet, so go to contracts and copy the token address in here. And remember, this token address, it's under the Ethereum network. Now, select the wallet that you use, for example, Bitkit wallet. After that, go to your wallet and now switch here the network as Ethereum and click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address as you can see here, and this is our token. Just click on plus to be added to our wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it and now click on swap. Click here to switch it. Now select here the token that you want to buy with. Make sure to that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. As you can see, 41 AGLD. Now after that, click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy the AGLD token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.